Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope everyone is doing well. So since we are working on NetSuite and exploring NetSuite and new features and each and everything, so just we want to share some content or knowledge sharing from the YouTube channel. So if you are new here, you can go to my YouTube channel and find the Suite stream, and you can find a Suite stream, and you will get this channel. So from here you can learn in the each and every content from the beginning, like in the basic level. So just we have explained. So from here you can learn. And one more thing, please subscribe my YouTube channel and join us. So whenever we upload a new video, so you will get notified and you will get the latest content. Then you can learn easily each and every module. So thank you. And let's start on the today's topic. So today we'll discuss about inventory adjustments. So in NetSuite, inventory adjustment is one of the biggest topic. So that how we in NetSuite inventory stock level adjusting and managing on that accounting level. So when we're talking about that inventory adjustment, then what does it mean? So inventory adjustment is like nothing, just it's a tracking and managing your damages or your increase or decrease level on the manually. So inventory adjustment transaction changes the quantity and value of an inventory item without entering any purchase order or purchase request. So an inventory adjustment is manual modification of inventory levels to correct the discrepancies. Adjustment can be used to increase or decrease the stock due to various reasons. That might be a damages, loss, theft, or accounting errors, or some glitch. So how it works? So an inventory adjustment allows you to manually increase or decrease stock level from a specific item and location. This is typically used to correct inventory discrepancies, but it can also be used to add newly received stock if it is not recorded through a purchase order. So, how to use inventory adjustment? So, correct inventory discrepancies like system stocks differs from the physical stocks, record damages, lost or stolen item, always adjust stock level due to expiration or spoilage, a write-off obsolete or excess inventory. So this kind of thing we can manage through our inventory adjustment. So if we understand through the real world example, so let's take a scenario: grocery store managing spoiled goods. So a supermarket Fresh Mart stock 200 of milk. So upon checking, they find 10 cartons have expired after we received that stock. So when we check that, there was some expiry packages like 10 cartons. So that must be removed from our inventory stock level. So how we can do that? So in that scenario we can use that inventory adjustment that will be useful, that we can use to reduce our damaged or expired quantity from our inventory level. So how we can perform this adjustment in that sheet? So first we have to follow the navigation, like navigation in the sense that there's a way path where we can find that and we can create and we can adjust. So once we adjust that, then in that sheet on the item record, system will automatically update those changes after saving the inventory adjustment. So I will just show you an example here. So let's say this item we have. So currently we have 190 quantity. So if we create an adjustment, since we discussed earlier, so if 10 quantity is damaged, so we need to remove those from this. So for this, what we can do, manually we can create an adjustment with minus 10 quantity. Once we'll save with this location, then it will reduce from this 190. So it will become 180 because the 10 item was 10 quantity was damaged. and we have remote. So that will I will walk through in our next video. Just follow us and keep watching. So whenever we'll create a next video on the real time, like we'll walk through on that in the system how it works and how it reflects. So in that video you will get some clarity on that. So just be updated. So whenever we are uploading any videos, you will get notified. So thank you, everyone. See you in the next video with a real world example. How we'll see in that NetSuite system. So please subscribe my YouTube channel and happy learning. Thank you, everyone. Bye bye.